Hey, this is going to be my review of a lower fairing accent turn signal LED lights for Harley Touring Road Glide from 96 to 2013. Here's the deal. These things did not boat right up. So let me show you what I got going on. First of all, I tied into the turn signals right here on both sides, left and right there. Then on the lights themselves, I didn't like, they had 3M tape, and I didn't like the way that they fit. So I used 2-inch 8/32 screws. So let me walk back around here. And that is with the lights on. Work with me here. That's with the turn signals. So my bike is a 2002 Ultra Classic. Now these lights were on eBay, $39. But as you can see, I used two 8/32 screws, 2 inches long. On the lights, they got 3 little strips of 3M self-adhesive tape, and I didn't like the way it fit. I didn't know they would fall off going down the highway. But here they are. And like I said, I tied in through my turn signals because the wiring that comes with it was this right here. And evidently that is for 2014 and up, where you plug in to your socket, turn signal socket. I had no sockets like that at all on that. So, like I said, what I did is I just tied into the turn signal and the running lights on the front, left and right. So anyway, somebody's got any questions, I may post another video when I get the bike all back together. But the bike is a 2002 Ultra Classic.